The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, in a small forest by a peaceful river, there lived 3 little pigs with their mother. One day, when they were all grown up, their mother said, "My dear children, it's time for you to live on your own. Build yourselves strong houses to stay safe." The 3 little pigs happily said goodbye to their mother and went on their way to build their own homes. The eldest pig was the biggest but also the laziest. He thought to himself, "Why work so hard? I'll just build a house out of straw. It'll be quick and I can relax after." In just one day, the eldest pig finished his straw house. He lay on a chair outside his house, dreaming of an easy, carefree life. The second pig wasn't as lazy as the first, but still didn't want to work too hard. He thought, wood is stronger than straw and not too hard to build with. A wooden house will be good enough. After 3 days, the second pig finished his wooden house. He felt proud of himself, thinking he had done a great job. The youngest pig was the smallest but also the most hardworking and careful. He thought to himself, "Only a brick house will be strong enough to keep me safe. It'll take more time, but safety is the most important." The youngest pig worked tirelessly for weeks, laying one brick at a time. Finally, he built a sturdy brick house with strong windows and doors. One day, a big bad wolf came to the forest. He was very hungry and spotted the 3 houses. 3 little pigs? That's 3 tasty meals, the wolf thought. First, he went to the straw house. The wolf growled, little pig, let me in." The eldest pig was scared but answered, "No. I won't let you in." The wolf took a deep breath and blew with all his might. Whoosh! The straw house flew apart. The eldest pig ran as fast as he could to the wooden house. The wolf chased him to the wooden house. He growled again, little pigs, let me in." The 2 pigs, trembling with fear, shouted, "No. We won't let you in." The wolf huffed and puffed and blew hard. Whoosh! The wooden house creaked and fell apart. The 2 pigs ran as fast as they could to the brick house. The wolf, now even hungrier, went to the brick house. He roared, little pigs, let me in." All 3 pigs shouted together, "No. We will never let you in." The wolf huffed and puffed and blew with all his might, but the brick house didn't even budge. Angry and frustrated, the wolf decided to climb up to the roof and go down the chimney. But the youngest pig was clever. He said to his brothers, "Quick! Let's light a fire in the fireplace." The 3 pigs quickly built a roaring fire. When the wolf slid down the chimney, he fell straight into a pot of boiling water. Ow! He screamed and jumped out, running far, far away. He never came back to the forest again. After the wolf was gone, the eldest and second pigs felt sorry for being lazy. They promised to work harder, just like their youngest brother. From then on, the 3 pigs lived happily together in the strong brick house and never saw the wolf again. And that's all for this story. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.